Here we divide 205 by 2. So 2 times 10 means 20. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this number beside this 5 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put here decimal so that we take 0. So now it became 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 205 divided by 2 we get 102.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.